Hey YouTube, Mark here, and we got an unboxing today. We got a Creed and a Bond unboxing. Now, you remember I ordered 4 bottles. I got 2 from Lucky Scent and then 2 from eBay. The 2 from Lucky Scent aren't in yet, so I was gonna wait for them. They're coming in the next 2 days, but I'm gonna do it separate. It's a lot more fun when I only have 2, so I can actually give you an initial impression. So, my new Bond and my new Creed. Now, what I'm planning to do with both these houses is I'm going to buy the whole line. I'm going to go slow with it. I'm going to go one at a time from each fragrance house and then go from there. Now, my eBay member, if you want to know her name, she's awesome. I've bought all my bonds from her. Not a huge savings. You'll see maybe $20 savings. Sometimes I can get it a lot cheaper. Depends how she gets them. So my Creed, this is the second Creed I got from her. Her prices are dramatically lower. I can almost save $50 to $60 off the Creed. So kudos to her. If you want to know my eBay friend, please PM me and I'll let you know. I'm not huge on advertising an eBay member. So if you're interested, really interested in the Bond and the Creeds, let me know and I'll send you her hookup. Now, on to the bottles that I got today. If you don't follow my blog, you won't know what I got, but if you do, you know exactly what I got. So let's start off with a little background. This Creed and this Bond are both cinnamon fragrances. That's what I wanted. I wanted 2 cinnamon-based fragrances. They might not be cinnamon-based, but they both have cinnamon in them. So let's take a look. First, the Creed. Creed is Original Santal. Now, so let's unbox this sucker and see if it's actually a cinnamon-based fragrance. Now, both of these actually came out in 2005, so kind of cool. Of course, they got the writing inside the box. We've all seen a Creed bottle. We got the paperwork here. Let's take the bottle out. Original Santal. This is a 4-ounce bottle. There she is with the little cap here. So, I'm expecting a cinnamon. Where's my post-it note? Post-it note sampling. So, let me take a look here. Wow, it's not coming out. There you go. Okay, so Original Santal. I'm looking for something cinnamony. Hopefully that's what I get. Or maybe that's going to happen on my skin. Okay, not cinnamony. Okay, there is some spice, some floral. Kind of like a sweet floral, eh? Okay, so we got like a little bit of sweet and spice. So that's my initial impression of Santal on paper, which doesn't say much. Usually you only get the top notes on there, but interesting. I like it. Goodbye. Okay. Next, my Bond. What I purchased from Bond, Bleeka Street. This is a 3.3 ounce, 100 mils. Let's open her up. This is what, if you guys wanted to know what it looks like, this is what it comes in. You take that off and then they have like a little description. Well, not a little description, huge description. So, this is the bottle. Okay. And let's see if I get cinnamon out of this one. Yeah, watch me get 2 cinnamon fragrances that have no cinnamon in them. Awesome. Okay, this one took only 3 sprays to get it out. This one again came out in 2005. This is a unisex fragrance, by the way. It's not a straight up male fragrance, so I can't believe Santal came out that floral. Weird. So I'm thinking this one's going to be, you know, maybe a little more floral. I don't know. Weird. It's almost green. Well, I guess the bottle's green. Maybe I should have taken a look at the other notes, but okay. That's all I get. Green. So almost like a spring-summer fragrance, this one. So both aren't that spicy as I thought I was going to get. Maybe I should have looked at the rest of the notes. I was thinking I was getting 2 cinnamon fragrances, 2 Well, Santal's a little spicy, a little bit of floral, kind of sweet. And Bleeker's kind of green. So, looks like I got a summer spring fragrance. And someone asked me, I don't remember, but one of my subscribers asked me if I got if Bond number 9 has numbers on them, and yes, they do. They come with those black numbers. You can't really see it. It's right there. It's a 4-digit code on every single bottle. So there you go, guys. These are my 2 newest bottles unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll have one in the next few days on a Healy fragrance and Le Labo fragrance. So keep it tuned in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll be back with another one.